1, we do livestock. Remember Western U.S.? And we talked about clearing rainforests in Brazil for livestock ranching, right? Okay. You might want to write Argentina with Brazil, because Argentina is a big place that we get beef from. And the test, I think your answer option is South America. So you might want to add those. A key animal raised in Australia, it's famous for its sheep exporting.
I told you.
I took that off the test. I don't know if it has big relevance. I didn't take it off.
Did you say because you're Alex? Yeah.
One is not definitely.
That's awful.
3's on the test in a weird way. You should know that nomadic herding takes place in deserts. Please understand the reality that old traditional lifestyles, hunting and gathering, nomadic herding, those kind of things, happen where land or climate is lousy. Eskimos are technically hunters and gatherers. So the tundra, mountainous regions, dry spaces, okay? 4 is market gardening. 5 is Florida. 6 is A, B, and C. Okay. 7 is wheat and rice. 8 is China and India.
If I said India, I'm not as dumb as I do you know what that word is?
9 is plantation.
Yes.
Wait, what is 9?
Plantation. 10 is all of the above. 11, dairying tends to be the 4 seasonal stuff because otherwise it rots. So think Wisconsin. You might want to add Northeast U.S. You might want to add Northern Europe. Okay. 12 is commercial grain farming. 13 I need to spend a minute with to make sure you understand something in this context that I did not mention earlier. In the Caribbean, farmers still frequently grow sugar. Not because their kids need sugar to survive, but because when the Spanish colonized them, and when the French colonized them, sugar was a huge colonial cash crop. So the Spaniards took the sugar back to Europe and made rum, and then took rum to Africa, and then brought slaves to the New World. That was one of the triangular trade loops. Sugar is still grown in the Caribbean at very low income because of that neo-colonial relationship. Someone asked earlier, why do they still grow sugar if it's not profitable? Because they rely on any income. Moving away from it means stepping into no income. And until they have a financial ability to transfer how they make their money, they are dependent on that little bit of sugar income for any income. Same is true with many Indian cotton farmers who rely on the British to buy their cotton. So cotton, coffee of Brazil, sugar of Brazil, sugar of the Caribbean, cotton of India, those are common neo-colonial agriculture crops. You understand? Remember when we talked about neo-colonialism in Unit 1 and that reality? Those are 3 crops in the middle of neo-colonialism. Got it? 14 is a luxury crop. 15, all of those are plantation crops. 16, not B. The other 3 are cotton producers. Not B. Actually, Canada probably grows some, but it is. I took that question off the test. 17, the world's rubber is produced in Southeast Asia. 18, grapes, olives, and dates. 19A. And 20, non-agricultural are mountains, tundras, deserts, to some degree the tropics, but you know we are clearing rainforests and growing things in the tropics, right? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pass all your vocab quizzes. You will have the remainder of class time with a partner to finish it. I will collect them. It is not a homework sheet. It is not an open notes sheet. If we need a few minutes to finish tomorrow, we will. Then we will correct. Then we will review. And then I think there will be one free response question in class tomorrow. I do have a free response question activity next week, which will wrap up our unit. You can be done.